We're diving into the world of automated short videos, which are generating a whopping $16,000 per month for creators according to YouTube's online earning calculators. But here's the catch. There's so much untapped potential for even greater earnings through sponsorships and more. Stick around as we break it all down for you. Step 1. Creating a compelling script with ChatGPT. To begin, we'll show you how to craft an attention-grabbing script. Head over to ChatGPT and request a list of 10 interesting animals. Once you've chosen your favourite, ask ChatGPT to write 30 to 50 words of fascinating facts about that animal. You can even make it longer if you'd like. Copy the script to your clipboard and proceed to the next step, which is step 2, bringing your script to life. Now, let's transform your script into a captivating video with an AI voiceover. Visit 11labs.io and either log in or create a free AI voiceover account. Choose the ultra realistic voice options and paste your script into the text box. Hit the generate button and let 11 Labs do its magic. Now let's move on to step 3, downloading the audio. Hit the play button to review the voiceover. If you're not entirely happy with it, you can make some adjustments in the box above. Once you're satisfied, click the download button to save the audio file. Don't worry, even though it's a WAV format, it's still compatible with our next steps, which is step 4, assembling the video. Now let's head over to Canva, an excellent tool for video creation. Sign up if you haven't already, and in the search bar, type YouTube Shorts. Click on the YouTube Shorts template and select Create Blank File from the left sidebar. Upload the WAV file you just downloaded, and if necessary, adjust the audio's file length by dragging it or adding a white blank page to match its duration. Now let's move on to step 5, finding copyright-free visuals. To enhance your video, we need eye-catching visuals. We recommend using copyright-free stock footage. While there are several great websites available, we'll be using Canva's own stock images in this tutorial. If you can't find your desired visuals here, feel free to explore places like Pexels.com. To save time, search for visuals that match your chosen animal. Remember to filter for vertical orientation to avoid additional cropping. Once you find relevant photos or videos, simply drag and drop them into your Canva project. Now we can move on to step 6, adding background music. To further elevate your video, let's incorporate background music. YouTube's audio library offers an excellent collection of tracks, and all for free to use. Filter the option by selecting General and then checking the Ambient category. Browse through the tracks until you find one that suits your video. Once you've made your selection, download the track and drag it into your Canva project. Adjust the position of the audio to synchronize it to the rest of your video. So we can now move on to step 7, reviewing and finalizing the video. Now let's take a moment to review what we've just created so far. Play through the video and make any necessary adjustments. Ensure the visuals, audio and the voiceover work seamlessly together. If everything looks great, it's time to download the final video file. Congratulations on a job well done. Now we can move to step 8, adding auto-generated subtitles. To make your video more accessible and engaging, we recommend adding auto-generated subtitles. For this, we'll use feed.io. Create a new video project and upload your previous created video file. Once uploaded, click the Subtitles tab and select Auto Subtitle. Choose your preferred language and wait a few seconds while the subtitles are generated. Play through the video to ensure accuracy. If needed, adjust the subtitles style, font, size colours and animations to your liking. Now we can move on to step 9, exporting and uploading your videos. Now that your video is complete, click Done and export the video. After a short processing of time, download the video in MP4 format. Finally, upload your video to YouTube and get ready to engage your audience. Congratulations on creating an engaging YouTube short that has the potential to boost your revenue. By following these steps, you've learned how to craft compelling scripts, utilised AI voiceovers, incorporated visuals and background music, and even add auto-generated subtitles. Remember, the key to success lies in turning your ideas into action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more money-making tips, and together, let's make your YouTube dreams a reality.
The red panda, native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China, is a fascinating creature.